So this wasn't really the plan, but I guess it's more incentive for me to buy another one of these Five Below helicopters. Alright, how's it gonna fly? Let's find out, shall we? Not bad. It just needs more up elevator. Let's try that again. It is. Well, it flew. Alright, so that actually flew pretty well. It's just a Five Below helicopter taped to this foam board version of one of these little things that I threw together in like 5 minutes. And it flew great. So I just needed to give it control surfaces and actual servos, and then I can control it. That's pretty great. I'm not actually going to use this Five Below helicopter because I'm using it for something else right now.